Hello everyone and welcome back to Aldo DIY. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you my sewing tricks on how to fix this dress by adding some sleeves. The first thing I did was inspect the dress. Luckily, it is fully lined, so I will be using that to create the sleeves. I trim off about 11 inches from the lining. If your dress doesn't have a lining, you can just buy it from the fabric store or you can use a contrast fabric. To make it unique, now I'm going to hem the lining. I folded the fabric in half. Then I will measure 3 inches from the top and 3 inches from the side. Then I am going to curve it. This is going to be the arm side. I'm going to taper it, so I mark it 2 inches and then I'm just going to draw a straight line. These are the measurements of the sleeve, so 9 inches, 11 inches, and 10 inches. Allowance is already included in the measurement. Then I mark the center fold. This is going to be the shoulder part. I am going to hem it by folding it twice, big enough that the elastic can fit through. After I hemmed it, the arm side looked shorter, so I adjusted it. So as you can see, I just fold it like this and measure 3 inches, then trim off the excess fabrics. It's time to feed the elastic through the channels. Elastic is 10 inches in length. It will depend on your measurement, obviously. And the elastic that I'm using is about a 1/4 inch wide. Match the correct sides of the fabric and stitch it on the sides. Let's work on the dress now. I am measuring 3 inches from the sides and from the top, and I'm going to curve it. This is going to be the arm side. And before you cut the dress, make sure that the sleeve will fit. So I traced the back and I matched the curves and it fits perfectly. The neckline of the dress has elastic. Be sure to stitch that so it doesn't unravel. That way you're not stretching out the neckline, it's not gonna make it wider. I matched the sleeves on the correct sides of the fabrics and I match the shoulders and the inseam. Then I'm going to stitch right across. Be sure not to stretch the dress. And this is what it should look like. I repeated the same steps to the other sleeve. You have an option here. If you like a puff sleeve, add elastic to the hemline of the sleeves. If not, just do what I'm doing here. So I'm going to trim off the sleeves because it was a little too long for my liking. Then I hem it. Remember the ties that I trimmed off earlier? I created a bow and stitched it on the center fold of the sleeves. Let me remind you the before and here's the after. So much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hype this video. Are you going to wear it with or without sleeves? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!